All right, folks, so part two. This is our south garden. It's brand new. I got all these plants for Mother's Day, and so I thought it would just be a great chance to kind of show you where we are at the very beginning. They were just planted a couple weeks ago, so they have a long ways to go, but I think in future years these are going to be awesome. So here, let me show you. Okay, not done. I haven't mulched anything yet, but I got 2 peonies, okay, over here. They're different ones. This one over here is all white, and then this one over here, you can see, has a little bit of pink on the inside, and I forget what they are called, but anyways, oops, that one's kind of dying over there. Sorry, guy. But it is starting to look really good. Lots of new growth. Like I said, I got these in the ground a couple weeks ago. Here we have an alocasia, or colocasia, I'm not quite sure. Anyways, it's an elephant ear. I think it's called Black Magic. We have like all of these new leaves coming in, so I know that it's going to be okay over here. We're super early in the morning, so we're behind the air conditioning unit, so it's not getting direct sun yet, but it will get about 6 hours of sun today. And then I just grabbed these. I don't remember what they are either. You guys, I know I'm so bad at names, but how could you pass that bloom up? You know what I mean? So gorgeous. Like, I don't know, some kind of double petunia or something. Double impatient. I don't even know the difference. But they look really great. Hey, buddy, what you got?
Fish.
Fish? Awesome.
My bucket.
Oh, yeah, basketball fish in your bucket. Nice. So, I put in this reed grass. Okay, in a few minutes. Okay, so yeah, the reed grasses were over under one of the windows because I just threw them in the ground. They were in a container last year. I put one over here, and we put one at the other end, and I'll show you that in a second. But I want to show you real fast this hanging basket. This is helichrysum. Oops, where are we? It's beautiful, and it smells great, and it's a very light, dusty, kind of like eucalyptus-y color. It's so beautiful. And then we have these supertunia, this super cascade white, and they are just beautiful in here. So the whole basket, including the child, just really looks stunning, and I like how simple it is. And I can cut the helichrysum for any of my arrangements this year. Looks great. Okay, moving on. So what I did here is I matched this garden with what we have over here. I have to weed again, and then we're going to put mulch and a border down, but I just wanted to get them in the ground, so forgive all the weeds. But yeah, we have the same 2 peonies, and then our elephant ear, Black Magic. I think it's Magic something. Anyways, the tag's down there. Anyways, it's looking great, and these are going to be huge plants. So it looks so good. I redid a little bit of the drain here since we got new guttering. And then we put in the extra grass. So, and then my neighbor gave me these, so we're just letting them live in the pot for a while until I find the perfect place for them. Anyways, this is all, guys. I just wanted to give you that quick, nice update so that you could see the very beginning of what the garden will look like. And in another couple months / years, it will be super awesome. So anyways, I hope you all have an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.